Welcome to Infobook Technologies YouTube channel. This is Raj Kumar. Next, we're gonna see RX Java scheduler. Schedulers are the components that tells the observable or observer on which thread they should run. Schedulers are used to specify on which thread the work must be done. So this is more useful in the case of thread management. So we use subscribe on method and observe on method. In the subscribe on method, for observable on which thread it should run. For observe on which thread they should emit the data. So there are many schedulers, but we'll use only three main scheduler that we use mostly. Schedulers IO, schedulers computation, Android schedulers.main. Here, schedulers.io and schedulers.computation or comes from RX Java, where Android scheduler dot main thread it comes from RX Android. Schedulers.io. Schedulers.io thread used for network request, file system operation, etc. This can be used for asynchronously performing blocking IO operation. Also, this implementation works similarly to Threadpool executor, which generally used as in the subscribe on method. Let's get into workspace for a real example. Here we are going to use the same project from the last video where we print the animal names. Here I'm going to set the scheduler. Subscribes on schedulers. Once we assign the scheduler for observable, the same way we will assign observable to which thread it should emit the data. So observe on Android schedulers dot main thread. So basically it will update the, which means emit the data in the main thread. Let's save it, run the project. Here, so we print the animal names. After that, on complete executor. Next is schedulers.computation. Schedulers.computation thread used to perform CPU intensive operation like processing huge data, bitmap processing, etc. The number of threads created using this scheduler depends on the number of CPU cores available in the mobile. If you have a 2 cores on your mobile, it will have 2 threads in the pool. If those threads are busy, the process should wait until it's available. We generally used subscribe on method. Let's get into workspace for real example. For scheduler.computation, I'm going to change scheduler.io to schedulers.computation. This is similar to IO. The number of threads that can be used is fixed to the number of cores present in the device. Let's run the application. We'll get the same what we get for IO expected. So if you have 2 cores, you will get 2 threads. If you have 4, then you will get 4 threads. Android schedulers.main thread. Android schedulers.main thread is provided by the RX Android library with the package name reactivex.android schedulers. This is used to bring back the execution to the main thread so that UI can be updated. We generally use this in observe on method. There are other factory methods just to create observable other than just you can go for from array. So, let's see. get the expected result. It will print. The same way you can iterate um iterative or this. Thanks for watching.